I'm Jess, and welcome to another Gen AI workflow tutorial. Today, I'll teach you how to design social media visuals and banners for your brand. Social media demands consistent, high quality, and on-brand visuals, which can be time-consuming to create manually. Today, we're going to help you create your own using Leonardo in 4 easy steps. First, implementing your brand's color scheme. Then, generating promotional imagery, adding text to create sales banners, and finally, creating dynamic backdrops for social video. By the end of this session, you'll be able to make some awesome stuff, just like these examples for an e-commerce brand. This is the home screen of the Leonardo app. Today, we'll be using image creation and motion. Image creation is our home base, the main tool for generating new images, and motion is our easy-to-use image-to-video tool for creating animated assets. For now, let's click on image creation. To create our color scheme, we'll be using the Phoenix preset. Phoenix is our new foundational model that's incredibly prompt adherent, so perfect for maintaining that visual consistency. To get our brand colors into the prompt, let's use Describe with AI. Describe with AI turns uploaded images into text prompts. Now let's upload this previously approved brand image from an existing campaign as an example. Great, let's take a look if it's got the colors down. Great, these new gens look like they're in line with our brand colors, so we're good to go. Now let's generate some promo images with the same green glow and white color. Rather than recreating the whole prompt, let's talk to the AI and have it make some slight changes. Edit with AI in this pencil icon allows you to refine or replace specific elements within your image. I'm going to instruct the AI to swap out our current object for a shopping basket, whilst keeping that same green and white theme. Looks pretty good and still on brand. From here, you can keep on using Edit with AI to adjust the image and get a design closer to what you want. For instance, I want to also make a price tag icon in that same glowing green and white. Looking very nice. Let's now add some text to create a sales banner that'll grab the attention of our customers. Phoenix is really great at putting text right into images. Again, let's navigate to Edit with AI and prompt the model to create an image with the word Sale on Now in black text. Wow, these look great. From here, you can continue to iterate, creating more images using custom CTAs, or changing the image dimension for different channels, keeping your content fresh and relevant. Finally, we'll expand our series with some abstract backgrounds we can use to layer into our videos. I'll start by switching over to the TikTok ratio for vertical video. To change the dimensions, you'll need new settings with the same prompt. So just click this button here to reuse the prompt, and it brings it back up to the prompt bar. Now I'm going to use the Edit with AI function from the prompt bar and ask the model to keep all the green and white colors, but remove the object, the text, and create some abstract shapes. Here I have removed the price tag and text, fill up the whole image in that shape and blob. It's now updated the prompt, and I'm going to click Generate. Nice, these are looking really great. From here, we can add movement using motion. Motion strength refers to how much motion in the image. Let's keep it pretty low. I only want a little bit of movement. I'll set it to 3. And then there you have it, a slick, smooth backdrop for your social video. And that's all for today's Gen AI workflow on designing social assets with Leonardo. Thanks for watching. Until next time.